Hello and welcome to this episode of the IG Global Panvision. I am Melita here.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines from the Middle East. Singer Puttur Panduranga Nayak performs in Abu Dhabi. News headlines from Mangalore. Sandesha Awards 2008 announced. Subraya Chokkadi, Dolphy Kassia, Francis Tikuna among the winners. Sadhguru Atmananda Saraswati honoured in the city. Thousands of devotees take part in annual car festival of Kadri Temple. And in our entertainment part, we have songs from Wilson Oliveira Silver Jubilee Night and Music Musti 2007 held at Brahmawar and Govan song by Goa's popular musical band Kepe Chikirna from the 73rd Monthly Theatre held at Kalangar.
Apurva for Apt Lab.
And now the news in detail. Abu Dhabi Karnataka Sangha, an association of Kannadigas living in Abu Dhabi, has been serving the Kannada-speaking community in Abu Dhabi since last 2 decades. Apart from identifying and encouraging the local talents, Karnataka Sangha once in a while invites the artists from Dakshina Kannada and other districts of the state to perform in Abu Dhabi. Recently, the association invited a well-known singer and Raga Sangama Sangeeta Sabha Puttur Joint Secretary Panduranga Nayak to present a musical program in Abu Dhabi. It was a nostalgic experience for all those Kannada and Tulu-speaking people who had turned up for the event. Karnataka Sangha Abu Dhabi organized a musical evening on Sunday, January 20th. Puttur Panduranga Nayak mesmerized the audience with his performance on the occasion. He was accompanied by M. Vishwanath Shenoy of Uppinangadi on the harmonium and Faisal on the tabla. Nayak sang a good number of compositions by the same composers like Kanakadasa and Purandaradasa. The audience enjoyed listening to various Kannada, Sanskrit, Hindi, Marathi and Tulu songs by Nayak. President of the Sangha, Sarvottama Shetty, felicitated Nayak. Sandesha Foundation for Culture and Education that runs Sandesha School of Fine Arts, a school that is considered as a temple of arts in the city, has announced its annual awards. The prestigious Sandesha Awards 2008 honors those who have excelled in arts, literature, television, journalism. 7 achievers and a drama troupe from Chitradurga have bagged the award this time. Writers Subraya Chokkadi, Dolphy Lopo, theatre personality Arundhati Nag and others will receive the award in a function to be held on February 2nd. Sandesha Foundation for Culture and Education has announced its 17th Sandesha Awards for the year 2007. The awardees are Subraya Chokkadi for Kannada Literature, Dolphy Lobo Kassia for Konkani Literature, Professor A.V. Navada of Amembala for his contributions to Tulu literature, Arundhati Nag of Bangalore for her achievements in the field of arts, Lakshman Kodse of Shimoga for journalism, and Francis J.B. Dikuna of Mulki for contributions to the field of education. The Media Education Award will be presented to Shiv Sanchara Drama Troupe Chitradurga. Harold Cyril D'Souza, Bijay, popularly known as Harry D'Souza, will be honoured with the Sandesha Special Recognition Award for his efforts in preserving the local culture. The award comprises of cash prize of Rs 10,000, a memento, citation and a certificate. The award presentation ceremony will be held on Saturday, February 2nd at 5:30 p.m. at the premises of Sandesha. Sadhguru Atmananda Saraswati, the founder of Kanyadi Sri Ramakshetra near Dharmasthala, who was crowned as the religious head of Billava, Idiga, Namadri, Divara and Thia communities, was honoured in the city on Tuesday, January 22nd. The Swamiji was awarded the title Sadhguru during his Pattabhisheka ceremony held at Kanyadi Sri Ramakshetra on Monday, January 21st. During the Guru Vandana program, the members of the Billava and other backward communities honoured this year. Guru Vandana for Sri Atmananda Saraswati Swamiji of Kanyadi Sri Ramakshetra was held at Nehru Maidan on Tuesday, January 22nd evening. Sri Prakashananda Swamiji of Shivagiri Mutt inaugurated the program and graced the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, Sri Mohandas Swamiji of Manila Mutt said that the Billava Idiga community has suffered from humiliations and untouchability in the past years. Owing to the visionary efforts of Sri Narayana Guru, the community has grown vibrant in the society. Sri Vikyatananda Swamiji opined that Guru is the one who sacrifices all for the well-being of others. Sri Atmananda Swamiji has such virtues, he added. Sri Dharmapalananda Swamiji, Sri Niranjan Swamiji, MP S. Bangarappa, former ministers Shivananda Nayak and Kagodu Timmappa, Naveen Chandra D. Suvarna, President of All India Billava Association, former MLAs Yogish Bhatt, Krishna Palamar, Sunil Kumar, Prabhakar Bangera, Madhu Bangarappa, BP Heraje SP of Gulbarga, former MP Vinay Kumar Sorakke and others were present on this occasion.
ಜನರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಖಂಡಿತ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಪರಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯರಾದ ನಾವು ಕಡೆಯ ಸಂಸಾರಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ದುಡಿದು ತಿನ್ನುವವರು, ಶ್ರಮಜೀವಿಗಳು, ಕಷ್ಟದಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡುವುದೆಂಬ ಪಶ್ಚಾತ್ತಾಪದಿಂದ ಇದ್ದವರು. ಇವರಿಗೆ ಧರ್ಮಾರ್ಥ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಕೊಡುವುದಂತ ಹೇಳುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಧರ್ಮಾರ್ಥ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರಿಂದ ಲಂಚ, ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಂದ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಹಣ ಮಾಡುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದಲ್ಲ.
Members of backward communities including Billava, Idiga, Namadri, Thia and Divara from the nook and corner of the state participated in the program. Mohan Acharya, in charge of Sri Rama Temple, Kanyadi, welcomed the gathering. Earlier, the Digvijaya Yatra of the Swamiji that started at 6 a.m. from Sri Ramakshetra reached the city around 2 p.m. Members of all the 5 communities from different parts of the state took part in the grand procession. Kadri Temple, being one of the ancient historical temples dating back about 1068 AD, is a very interesting place in Mangalore. With its 7 sacred tanks nestling at the foot of the highest hill, the temple attracts hundreds of devotees. On Tuesday, January 22nd night, the annual car festival of the temple was held with pomp and gaiety. The annual car festival of Kadri Sri Manjunatheshwara Temple was held with religious fervour on Tuesday, January 22nd night. Thousands of devotees thronged the temple and had a darshan of the Lord Manjunatha. On this occasion, 3 chariots, namely Chandra Mandala, Brahmaratha and Silver Chariot, were pulled around the temple. Bali Puja and other rituals were also held. Well, that was all we had from our news desk today. Don't go away as we are ready with our entertainment programs to rock you. But before that, we will take a short break here. Join me after this break.
ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಸರೆ ಮನೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹುಡುಕಾಟವೇ? ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವ ವಸತಿ ಗೃಹಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿವೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನೆ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಕನಸಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಪೂರ್ವದಿಂದ ನನಸಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆಶೀಶ್, ಅಪೂರ್ವ, ಅಭಿನವ್, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, ಅಮೃತ ಇವುಗಳ ಸಾಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ ಅನನ್ಯ, ಅದ್ವೈತ್.
Thank you.